Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your TOZO Crystal Pods. So firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, and now it can reconnect automatically, or you can just click on it at the device list to connect it. Cool. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. So just put it to the charging case. And now it will disconnect it from your phone, and after that just remove it from the charging case and it will reconnect. Now, if it also didn't help you, we should remove and add this earbud. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device, and now the earbuds should enter to pairing mode automatically. And we can see it at the device list, so just click on it. And we did it. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. So, firstly, press and hold at the both of touch areas for at least 5 seconds to turn off your earbuds. You can see it by this red LED light. Here we go. Now release your finger, and after that press and hold it for at least 10 seconds. Firstly, it enters to pairing mode, and after that it performs a hard reset. Here we go. Now, we should remove it firstly, so click the information icon or settings icon. Forget. Don't forget to click pair new device on your Android, and now we should turn on it, so press and hold at the both of touch areas. Here we go. It entered to pairing mode automatically, so just click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!